Hello, friends. Thank you for once again tuning in. I'm seriously delighted to have you on board. My interest is actually in ensuring that I present to you easier or simple steps of solving some of these mathematical problems. So today, here we have an equation where again we are asked to solve for x. So we have an equation, as you can see, 36 raised to x minus 1, then minus 200, then plus 6 raised to 2x is equal to 22. So when you have such a scenario, what you need to do, like in any equation that involves unknowns, it is important that you first of all collect like terms. So like in this case, we have 36, we have 6 here, they have some x in it. Now here we have negative 200, and then we have 22. So 200, negative 200, and 22 do not have anything to do with x. So we can consider them to be like terms. So we begin with, so our next step, we'll have 36 raised to x minus 1, and then plus 6 raised to 2x is equal to, when 200 crosses the equal sign to the other side, it's a negative, but now when it crosses, it will become a positive. So on the other side, we'll have 200 plus 22. That will give us a total of 222. Now the next thing is, we look at what we have here. We have 36 raised to x minus 1. And here we have 6 raised to 2x. So as you can see here, we have different bases, a base of 36 and a base of 6. So to begin with, if you have done indices, you could first of all write this. This is already to its simplest, a simpler base than this. So we could write this to the same base as what we have here. So you can see 36 is actually 6 raised to 2. Now from our laws of indices, we know if you have this and then raise x to 1, of course, plus 2, 6 raised to 2x is equal to 222. From our laws of indices, we know that when you have a number raised to a power, then further raised to another power, then to work it out, you just simply multiply those powers. So like in this case, we'll have 6 power 2x minus 2, then plus 6 power 2x, and this gives us 22. So we have here the same base, same base. Now, from again our laws of indices, we normally, if you have the same bases, if you are multiplying numbers, 2 or more numbers that have the same basis, then we can consolidate them, collapse them into one by simply adding the powers if you are multiplying, or subtracting the powers if you are dividing. So like in this case, we have 2x minus 2. It means that before we subtracted, what we had was a 6 power 2x divided by 6 power 2, which is actually 36. And then we have 6 power 2x is equal to 222. Now from here, you can see we have 6 power 2x here and 6 power 2x there. So we can say it, one of the ways of going about this, we can say let this 6 power 2x be, say, a different letter. We have to use a different letter, say p, so that eventually we'll have now our, therefore our p over 36, we can work out this 6 squared to be 36, plus P is equal to 222. So from here, when you cross multiply or you multiply through, you make everything whole. This is over 1 over 1. So we'll have our P plus 36P is equal to 2 times 36. When you multiply through by the LCM of 36 and 1 and 1. So we have here 37P is equal to 222 multiplied by 36. Now reaching this stage, we can now divide both sides by 37 so that we have P. Therefore, our P is equal to, from what we have here, when you use your calculator, if you use your calculator, 222 multiplied by 36. If you have your calculator, please can you try it? Divided by 37, you'll find that P is actually 216. Because 37 goes into 222 6 times, and then 6 times 36 will have 216, which is actually 6 power 3. But remember up there we said that our P is equal to 2 power is equal to 6 power 2x. So therefore, we return it. So we say therefore 6 power 2x is equal to 216, and 216 is 3 power 3. Now when we have such an equation, the bases are the same. If the bases are the same, then we are free to equate the powers, and therefore our x becomes 2 or 3 over 2, which you can write as 1 and a half. This is the solution to our question. Thank you so much once again for your audience. I request you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, to subscribe and also like and share. Also, you can press that bell button so that you can be informed or notified when I next upload a video. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.